starts right there, and then it works its way all the way down, and then it pops up right there where that green thing is. Well, the problem is that if you can see right above there, there's a blowout on the side, and it's because when I did the live edge right there, it was a little too close to the trench that I dug out. And I also have, and as you can see right there, there's a bunch of gravel. Well, what's happening is when the water builds up back in this area, because it's not a sealed corrugated pipe, the water will back up, and then it basically wants to push out of the pop-up. But if the pop-up isn't handling all the pressure, it comes out back, and then it ends up in that trench. So what I have to do is I'm basically gonna take the grass right here all the way to there. I'm gonna peel it back, and I'm gonna move that pop-up and the whole pipe over about, I don't know, a couple feet over that way. So I'm gonna do it right now because the weather is actually really nice. It's not hot, it's a little cool. I'm sure I'm gonna sweat anyway, but now's as good a time as any for me to take care of this, as opposed to waiting until tomorrow when the sun's out and blazing and it's just gonna be too hot. So wish me luck. It's gonna be a little soggy because it did rain all day today, but let's take care of it.
Tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because
and flip it. Easy.
I don't think you can because it's probably not clipped all the way through.
Unreal, you made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones.
I think that I got enough of the sod so that it shouldn't have a problem growing. I mean, I got some pretty big chunks. I'm basically gonna move that pipe right there to run this way. So I'm gonna dig that trench first and then redirect it from right back there, right there, all the way to here. So I'll dig all that out. It's all clay, so it should be pretty heavy, but we'll get through it.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs. I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold.
And what we'll do is we'll take the dirt and fill it in back here.
It's funny how easily
Dino Construction.
I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt.
I mean, the dirt is here. This is where the top is. We need to build all this back up.
I just can't believe it. You.
Okay, listen. keep moving it over. Put it here.
Kind
Here.
of like,
I know.
I can't get very close to
That's so off.
like too high,
Way too high.
just lift it up and over.
Well, this is stuff that I didn't take out though. It's like right there. Where's this? Here. I'll do it. I'll do it. Put it right there. Boom. Yeah, I'll cut this. No, it's gonna just rip it off. I know. What I'm gonna try to do is take this piece off right here. You know, let's get the rest of it, and then I'll fix that. Why don't we do that? Because that way we'll know exactly where it needs to go.
Out of the zone on my own, but you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I felt home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
All right, well, I think that takes care of it. I mean, it really sucked to destroy my grass like that. But the good news is it rained so much today that I'm pretty sure that the grass is pretty intact. Tomorrow, I've got some sand left over from when I did the leveling. Tomorrow, I'm going to come in and I'm going to put some sand down, fill in all these cracks, and then I should be in pretty good shape. You know, it'll grow back. It's part of the reason why I did it now as opposed to waiting until it's fall, because in the fall, it's just going to be, you know, it's going to be going into dormancy and it won't recover as well. At least now I know in a few weeks it'll be fine. So anyway, that's a simple fix for my blowout issue that was happening over there. And I'm hoping that this will just take care of it. And if it doesn't, then we'll be back at it. But at least I know this part should be good. I may have to come back in this area over here and move the pipe over even further. But I think for now it'll be all right. The sand will level out and we should be in good shape. So anyway, like everything else, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell. That'll be, usually it's up here, but I have no idea where it's going to be this time. So anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good weekend, everybody. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.